Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Shoplifters Caught Dumping Piles of Stolen Nikes into a Luxury SUV. That is a long title, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Hopefully it lives up to the hype. Let's get into the video, see what they talking about.
27th, 2023, officers were waiting outside an outlet mall for a group of shoplifters to return to their cars.
Come on over here. 10, 12. Come on. Go over there. You go over there. You're being accused of stealing.
What's that bag?
Your bag down. Just hold that. Hands on your back.
Hey, get him! Get him!
Hey.
Put your hands on your back.
That is hers. Put that by her. This is
Are we gonna
hers.
stage for the other one or no?
That might be the other way.
Siéntese.
Sí, ya.
¿De dónde es?
I don't know.
Colombia.
Okay. Pase, estire los pies. Take a seat.
Do I have to?
Yes.
She's from Colombia. Oh man, this is living up to the Trump narrative, man. The immigrants come over and cause trouble, man. I don't know, man. This is oh man, I'ma keep my opinions to myself and just let it rock, man.
He has nothing to do with this, right? No. 54 on him. Let him go.
No, está bien, señor. So we're still missing one?
Yeah, he has a white shirt.
Okay.
54. We're just 10-12 with the two females. We're looking for the male portion of the incident.
That's the vehicle for the male.
Okay.
We just need a stage to where no one gets in that car.
Where's the description? The tattoo on the arm guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Hey, ladies. How you doing?
I'm working camera right now.
You got an ID on you?
No.
No?
All right, this is the last time I'm pausing it real quick, and then I'm gonna really let it rock. But yeah, I'll be going to file a complaint. Forget all that, man. I'm traumatized. You just put me in handcuffs. I've never been in handcuffs before, and I have nothing to do with whatever you guys got going on. You guys should be sure and positive that you dealing with the right suspect, because I ain't got nothing to do with what's going on, and I can't even sleep at night because of this incident. I mean, I've been having nightmares, and I'm terrified of going to prison. You know what I'm saying? So to be detained like that and stripped of my freedom, even if it was only for a couple of minutes, is just horrifying to me, because I could see what can actually happen and being falsely accused. Oh yeah. I'll be down there in a heartbeat. You hear me?
Two.
Yeah.
What's your first name? Wait, where's their ID?
They don't have.
No, they're lined. Oh, lined. I thought you said they were lined. I'm like, wait, what? Yeah, they're lined.
Are you staying here? Or okay, you chilling for the other guy, right? Yeah. Yeah, there's a hotel Mike Husky looking group. They're all working together.
Want me to tag the other one?
It looks like 2 pairs of shoes each. Okay.
Do you have an ID?
No.
You don't have an ID? A floor ID? Any kind of ID? An ID from anywhere? You want me to reset up over there for that?
Yeah, we still I'd rather have someone on foot just in case he tries to dash. Did we take the prawn out?
Yes.
I just don't know if we have the charges on him to do it.
Okay. What's your birthday? Fecha de nacimiento tuyo.
4 December. He just saw this guy come out to the car with the full bags, dump the stuff, fold the shopping bags, and go back in.
Oh no, that sounds like a good amount.
And it's a good amount he has in there.
You don't got nothing with your information on it?
No.
Yeah, just run this for now.
Echo 84 back. Copy 1029P. My name and date of birth. I'm student.
10-4.
I told you to stop them. When you saw us, it looked like he was about to start sprinting.
Yeah, well, yeah, and then I asked Trevor. Trevor's like, Trevor calls me. He's like, oh no, his car is parked right next to theirs. His wife was walking up.
So the females were walking over there. I was like, what's up?
Said no record found for ID or deal.
For which one?
For both of them. I'm trying to help you, believe it or not.
Me too.
You don't need my
Well, here's the thing, right?
We're gonna pull it up anyway. So
It doesn't matter, but you got my all my
well, your name,
information.
Okay, that's fine.
So if I can't find you on here, you refuse to give me your name, you're gonna go in and
No, I
Joe.
give you my name. You got my name.
Well, I'm trying to find it. If it doesn't come up and I can't verify your identity, like I can't verify
He
her
already,
identity.
he already did, and they said that we don't have no records.
No, that means
No,
you
that
don't have a
means
driver's license at all.
Oh, no, I do have.
Well,
Okay,
that's what
but
we're
look.
trying to identify.
If I don't positively identify you, right,
Okay, just
that means that I'm going to put you under John Doe.
And you're
And that's going to make it allow, or Jane Doe.
make sure.
And then it's going to make it really hard for you to get out of there.
Va, sentate ahí.
We were talking.
Yeah, that's fine.
There is a male with a white shirt and blue and gray hat walking up to the car park right now.
Can you stay there?
Yeah, I can fly. Yeah, 2 people walk their car. I got one going to the driver's side and one on the passenger side. Making contact.
Come on over here.
So I'm not just trying to get away.
Come over here.
I got you.
It's got these doors here. You just locked the door. He just tried to lock the doors to the car too.
Hey. Adidas.
Where do you want me to see it? Right here?
Dennis, where's your car at?
My car is all the way by Old Navy.
Well, I wanted to free you up.
Well,
Hey, we're literally right
we don't have enough people. We only have 4 people, so I'll bring my car over.
Erica, can you put those 2 females in your car? That way we can try to figure out that Echo.
Tempo. Stand up.
And we're going to be 10-12 with all parties.
10-4, take your call.
So you see the way there's nothing inside the car? The same way you go here is the same way we expect when you come in.
Okay.
He dropped it, the passenger dropped it.
Yeah, because he saw the driver get an approach and then he tried to like, get shot.
Thank you. Levántate, por favor. Ven, vamos a allá. Siéntate, por favor.
I'm gonna leave my camera now. Okay. To see if we can get anything. Let's stop.
Yes, sir. I'm verify who you are. All right?
But you already got my number.
Listen to me. Just stop talking for a second. Your first name is spelled Jessica.
No, Jessca.
Jessa.
ICA.
Yeah, Jessica. Okay. What is your social?
But I don't know why you need my social for.
To help me pull you up, because I'm having a hard time, right? So if I can pull you up and I don't have to pull you in as a Jane Doe, it makes it easier for you to get out. So if that's what you want, that's fine. We can do it that way. But I'm trying to make this a little bit easier on you.
A mí me lo quita. No, ya, ya.
He's got his ID.
Ooh, these are professionals, boy. She got her phone in her crotch. Oh, that's crazy. But baby, you are on camera, okay?
What does it mean when you guys say booster groups? Organized, and then they usually have the bags lined with That usually means the car full of steps.
Or they just go back and forth.
Dump, steal, dump, steal.
It's amazing. That's why I say citizens.
Claro. El caso es una real y luego eso no era mi hermano, otra marica. Están buscando a mi hermano y vale. Dijo Mario bien. ¿Y por qué le puedo avisar a Jennifer Mario?
You don't have a social, right? Do you have a social? No?
No.
Okay.
Just barely to Homeland Security.
Ain't no way the cop opens the door, catches her with the phone. Like, come on, like you could clearly see that she's hiding something in between her legs, and you don't peep that? Oh my gosh, this make this police department look horrible. Y'all ain't do a pat frisk or nothing. Look at this.
Shoes.
All Nike or?
Yep. The looks of it.
Those are my favorite sneakers too. Vapor Max, you know? I got the white ones and the black ones.
Oh lordy. You want to talk to him?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.